Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about e-book writer. Fancy yourself the next Emily Bront. Why not write and publish a novel or non-fiction book in an area you have specialist knowledge in? It's never been easier to write, publish, and distribute your writings. Ebooks allow you to access a large potential audience through platforms such as Kindle. Without the need for a traditional publisher and printing costs. As with any book, to start, you need to decide on the premise of what you're writing. Structure the proposed text, edit, and then publish. Always good to get a second opinion before publishing or use a professional editor. You know one thing, to distribute your ebook, you can use your own website and list your ebook for sale on platforms such as Lulu, Kindle, Smashwords, Kobo, and many more. In terms of marketing, if you list on ebook on the platforms above, it's important to get as many positive reviews as possible to get up the rankings in your particular book field to maximize sales and convince people to purchase your ebook. You can do this initially by asking your friends and family to buy and review your book. Next, focus on reaching out to online publications offering free copies of your book for them to review and provide much needed content marketing to drive in their audience. You can also offer to write features and link to the book. Writing and publishing an ebook is relatively easy. The key is to write a great book and put significant efforts into marketing. Once you have traction from marketing, the popularity and sales of your ebook will snowball. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy. Take care. Thank you.